So this first step is wherever it changed directions, that's where you're going to draw a line at any point. So I only have one point. So I'm going to, from that point, I'm going to draw a line straight out. So wherever it changes directions, you have little points like that, draw a line. If you're not sure where to draw the lines, come see me and I'll put circles where you need to draw lines. So on all those spots, you want to draw a line straight out. So when you draw this line, don't draw it like that. Draw it as close as you can to the side. So whatever side it's closest to, draw it. This one will be straight on the point. Just go all around. Then what you're going to do is you're going to measure an inch. When you measure an inch, it doesn't have to be exact. So like from here to here, I'm going to kind of, since it's a curve and the ruler's not curved, I'm just going to kind of estimate where an inch is. And you're going to do that all the way around your board. It takes a little while. And then you want to draw these lines. You don't want to cross lines, so I don't want to draw it like that because it's going to cross that line. I want to draw it somewhere in between. And eventually, it's going to look like that. Once it looks like this, once it looks like that, bring a pencil back to the bandsaw. Once I'm done cutting, I'm going to use your pencil to draw two circles. And as I cut a scrap, I'm going to leave it here for her to take, and then she's going to put it in the box. And I'm going to trim close. And I'm going to leave it there till she takes it. And she's going to throw it. Then with the pencil I will draw two circles. And I will give the pencil and the wood back to you. So what I'm going to do is in between these two lines I'm going to make a bunch of cuts. With your left hand, cut with your right unless you're left handed and do the opposite. If you don't, it's going to wobble too much and it might break your project all in half. So hold it there so it doesn't wobble as much. When you're cutting, you don't cut. You want to stop before you get to the pattern line. Stop right before it. And you're going to cut until the line that has a circle on it. When you do this step, turn it toward the center. This will avoid them from being shot across the room. So wherever you're at, toward the center. Then you'll have a bunch of wood teeth to throw away. Then we want to make that flat. You want to file a little. You want to wrap your sandpaper around your file. And once that gets all smooth, you can show me. That makes you ready for the step tomorrow.